Today, I will show you how to easily manage your social media channels with Odoo. First and foremost, let us go ahead and proceed to the backend section of Odoo. In this section, we have available a comprehensive social media marketing application. When we open it, we can see that we can actually add different streams there. I am going to add my LinkedIn to it, and I do this easily by adding a stream and then clicking the LinkedIn button. Or then you need to log in. If you are already logged in, it will automatically show this message, and then you will get a few things that Odoo would like to do. Please take your time to read through the document carefully, and once you have done that, you can then proceed to allow it. After connecting, you come to this screen, and all your previous posts are immediately and seamlessly synchronized. You instantly get some valuable insights into your post and how your post has performed. And I can add a new post here. Well, let's go ahead and do that. We are going to add and schedule this post. Of course, I still need to edit it a bit. So where do we want to show it? We want to show it on LinkedIn, Blue Zebra, and I want to post my message to everyone on the platform and share my thoughts, ideas, and opinions. Well, we have already prepared that, of course, so here I can paste my message. You immediately get a preview of how it will look. And I can add a beautiful image to the presentation that will enhance the overall look and feel. And we are all set to go. Well, I definitely have below, which I will certainly show you. You can say send now or schedule later. And here I can choose a date. I still need to edit the video. So we will put it online tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. And with that, your post will be published